What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. As you can see, I have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 in my possession. Finally got it. Let's check this thing out and let's see if we like it. So as of late, I've been collecting, or not so collecting, but trying out different type of fit bands. As you know, I've done the Samsung Fit and I really liked it. It's good for checking out activity and things that you're doing on a daily basis. But I got a lot of questions about this one right here. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. Now, as you notice, similar construction to the Samsung Fit, has a 0.95 inch screen on it right here. This is an AMOLED screen. As you can see, there are no physical buttons on this little bitty device. This is a waterproof structure, has a silicone band that goes along with it, and the silicone band is actually, it feels really good. It's nice, it's sturdy, no issues, no complaints. You have a color touch screen. You have the actual lift to wake, so it comes on as you lift it up to wake it. This has Bluetooth 5.0 built into it. It has an actual tap to pay option called Alipay. I have not tried that out yet, but that will be in another review. When I do that, I will be testing that. It has a removable wristband, which you can just undo this, and I'll just demonstrate how that works. You undo this, pop this open, and basically it's just gonna jump out of the top. Just like that. You can swap these out. They come in different colors. I'll be doing more reviews on those as well as I get them in. In the box, this is all you get. You get the actual charger. So every time you want to charge this device up, it is going to have to come out, and it sits right down in here. Let me demonstrate how that works. You're just gonna pop it out, pull that, pop out. Once it pops out, these two pins on the back down here on the bottom, you're gonna line those up with these two in here. Snap it in, plug this in to a USB power supply, and you are good to go. Now, they claim that this battery is going to last 20 days, guys. This is supposed to be an actual 20-day battery. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to put it to the test. I've charged it up to 100%. I'm going to be taking a picture every single day just to show you guys that it actually does work, and it actually has a 20-day battery in it. I'm gonna put this back in here. Now I wear this on my left wrist. So this is actually the left wrist setup. The left wrist setup is the little clip up here up top. Now, if you want to do the right wrist setup, you're just gonna flip it around and have this in at the top. And it actually contours to each side of the wrist, depending on which side you put the actual band on. Like I said, we got that touch screen right here, AMOLED screen, removable wristband. It comes with 512 of RAM on it, 512 kilobytes of RAM on this, 16 gigs of flash memory. You got vibration control. It supports any device that is running Android 4.0 or higher, or iOS 9.0 or higher, guys. So that's a big deal, because you can use this with either your Apple or your Android device. Has a 3-axis accelerometer, a 3-axis gyroscope. It's going to be able to pick up all those steps. It's going to be able to pick up stairs. It's going to be able to pick up while you're swimming, while you're walking, while you're jogging. Has a 135 milliamp hour battery. So this means this is where the actual 20-day battery life comes in at. So this thing is supposed to be like a low latency device, and it's going to last you basically 20 days without a charge. I tested it out. It goes from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. So when I got this thing in, it had hardly any battery on it. I charged it up. It went up to 100 in about 2 hours or so. So that's a good, decent amount of charge. So like I said, in the box, you get this band right here. You get this, and you get this instruction manual. So put all that stuff to the side. You're going to need to keep up with this though, because if you lose this, you can't charge it. Now, let's talk about the actual form factor. Like I said, silicone band fits really nice on the arm. Let me go ahead and put this on so I can show you guys. So there we go, guys. I got it in the left arm configuration. It has a touch screen on it, but as you notice up here, when you touch it, nothing happens. You have to press, you see that little circle right there? Like I said, no physical button, but that little circle is going to be your basic wake up touch button. Touch that, comes on. Now, the best part about this thing is it comes with tons of little options. So you got status, we can check that out. You got your heart rate, you got workout, you got weather, notifications from your phone, and you got more. When you click on more, here you go. Alarms, you can control your music, has a stopwatch on it. You can find the device, you can make it silent. You can change your band face. So by scrolling through those, you can change through those. And guys, there are tons of these. Once I get into the app and show you guys how that works, tons of these things that you can choose from. You just tap on whichever one you want, it chooses it, and then you can go from there. So the interface is really intuitive. Interface is really well on this device. Like I said, you're gonna touch it, and since it doesn't have a button on it, it actually gives you the sense that you're actually tapping the screen. So no physical button, you're just gonna tap right down here and you get all these options and you can go through there. In order to connect this, you are going to need the actual MeFit app. So you're going to download the MeFit app on your phone, on your device. Once you get the MeFit app downloaded, it's going to walk you through everything that you need. You're going to first have to set up an account. Once you get that account set up, then you can go in, you can change watch faces, you can set up how you want your apps to work, how you want your notifications to come through, etc., etc. Everything is going to be done inside that app. There are tons of things that you can set up and customize in this application. Like I said, your watch face, your heart rate, your step count, your goals, fitness goals, anything can be set up inside that app. So once you get it downloaded, go ahead and set everything up. They're going to walk you through it step by step. And it's always best that you probably use this QR code. Scan this QR code that comes in the instruction manual. It will download that app for you. It will take you to the Play Store, to the App Store. It will get you everything that you need. Guys, I'll be doing some testing on this with some of the apps, some of the different features. Basically, this is it though. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4 waterproof AMOLED touchscreen. It's a nice little device, guys. If you're trying to keep up with your fitness, your records, your weight, your step count, your workouts, your heart rate, tap that. You're trying to keep up with all these things. It's a really neat little device for you to have. Now, I didn't show you the inside of it. I'll take this out, and right there, you got your little heart rate sensor right there on the back. I have mine in continuous mode, so it's always monitoring my heart rate, watching out for everything that's going on. Let me get this back on my arm. So like I said, guys, this is it. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. I'm going to be getting some different accessories in for this soon, some different bands, so stay on the lookout for that. But until next time, hope this is able to help someone out. Oh, and I did not mention the price point. You can pick this up for about 40 bucks. Check it out on Amazon. They're actually cheaper than that if you can get it directly from the source. But Amazon, you're going to get it anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks. So go by and check them out. Hopefully you can pick one up. Hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.